Right now, we are here at Incline at Ascension by Pulte Homes. This is one of the most popular communities in Summerlin right now. Now, in this video, we are going to be taking a Cesena floor plan, so don't go anywhere. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you like looking at new home build tours, or if you plan on moving to Las Vegas, do me a favor, guys. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Hey, what's up, guys? So welcome to Incline at Ascension here in South Summerlin. Now, guys, this is a beautiful master plan community. We're about 25 to 30 minutes west of Las Vegas Airport and Strip, close to the summit. Now, guys, this Ascension master plan community is actually made up of 6 different communities. 3 of them are going to be Pulte communities. The other 3 are going to be Toll Brother communities. Beautiful, again, master plan community. This is the only new build, new construction, guard gated community in Summerlin. Okay. Now, in this specific video, we're going to go over the Incline at Ascension, which is going to be single story homes. So here, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you. So they offer 4 different floor plans here, all ranging from 2,297 square feet to about 2,875 square feet. Okay. With the base prices ranging $1,048,990 all the way up to $1,320,990. Now, when you see the base price, just know you have to factor in the lot premiums as well as the upgrades, okay? So as far as the lot premiums, the way they're doing it here, because there is high interest here, they are bidding on lots. Now, the lots, as of today, they're going for about like 150 to 200,000. With the upgrades, buyers are normally putting in about 20 to 25% of the base price, okay? So just take your base price, add the lot premium, add the average upgrades. That's going to be your out the door price, okay? These homes are all single story, very luxurious, modern homes here. I will have some information about the community for you. So as far as the HOA goes, the HOA is $255, and that's going to be for the Ascension master plan fee. And then you're going to, in addition to that, you're going to have the $65 a month Summerlin South fee, okay? So that's a total of $320 per month. Now, there's no sit-in lids, but if you are a buyer in this community, buyers are to pay a one-time amenity fee of $5,000 at closing, okay? So that's just a one-time fee. Build time is going to be about 7 to 9 months, and the average lot sizes are going to be about 6,500 to 8,500 square feet, okay? Most of these homes are going to be building from lot up. They're not doing too many spec homes, although they do have one spec home available right now, which is like a quick move-in. I think they're going more so toward the path of building from lot up, okay? Also, in this community, the Incline, there's going to be about 119 homes, okay? But in total, for Ascension, there's going to be 561 homes altogether, okay? But yeah, that's about it. Let's get started with this tour. All right, guys, so welcome to the Cesena floor plan. And right now, this is going to be 2,875 square feet. In the bedrooms, 2 half bath, 3-car garage. It's going to be the largest floor plan in this community. Okay, so the base price is $1,320,990. Okay, so you got your 2-car garage right here, single car garage right here. Now, out the door, I would say you're looking at, my best guess would probably be about like 1.7, 1.8-ish, but it really just depends, okay, on the lot premium and the upgrades that you choose to do. So right in here, you're going to have this nice courtyard area. So this is cool just because, you know, you feel like you're inside, but, you know, you have this right here. So getting that outdoor feel. Nice large window. So welcome in. It's funny, as soon as I walk in, kind of feel like I'm going to a restaurant or something, like on this trip, when I look at these, this panel wall. So right here, you do have your flex space, okay? So you could choose to have it this dining room, or if you want, you could have these walls removed. So this would just be a little bit more open if you like that option, okay? So here quickly, I'll kind of show you, give you a quick summary of the floor plan. So you're gonna have your bedrooms over here. You're gonna have a bedroom here, like a bedroom right over there. And then you'll have your main living room area. So you have your kitchen, living room, dining room, okay? So you got the arch ceiling. This is definitely elevation C, which is the most expensive elevation. And then right over here, you'll have your primary bedroom. You'll have a den. You'll have your laundry room, door to your garage. Cool. And just in case if you're curious to know the dimensions, this is the floor plan. So feel free to pause the screen, and you could like zoom in if you'd like. So beautiful home. We'll go ahead and get started right over here. So right over here, looks like you have your own little suite. Okay, so I know guests would appreciate this. You had a guest stay here because they have you have your bed, you have your little like living room area, half kitchen. Okay, so it is pretty spacious in here. Got your walk-in shower. Very nice options. Very cool. And then you have your walk-in closet. Yeah, this area definitely be perfect for guests. Then you'll have so here, this is going to be your bedroom. Okay, and this is going to be I believe this is a queen size bed. I love the 10-foot ceilings. Again, you're gonna have 10-foot ceilings, 10-foot and 12-foot ceilings, okay? And depending what you choose, elevation A, B, or C, C is gonna be the most expensive, but with elevation A, you're gonna have 10-foot ceilings for the most part everywhere, and then you'll have the 12-foot ceilings like in the foyer and the living room. If you go elevation B, there'll be, I believe, the primary bedroom, they'll make that 12-foot ceiling. Elevation C, it'll be an arch ceiling, okay? So it'll be about like 14 feet, 16 feet high right there. So we got your powder room. And look at these cool designs, huh? Those cool faces. Here's your dual sinks. Shower tub combo. Okay. All right. So yeah, check this out. Beautiful living room area. You have a couple of options with the electric fireplace. So a couple of options with the panels right here. Okay, so you have the option where it could just be like a center slider. Then you have the adjustable slider where it kind of stacks. And then you have this, which is I think the best one, the corner adjustable slider. That's really nice. Especially, if you love that indoor, outdoor living experience. Cool. So they'll normally, HOA will give you about 6 months to a year to do your backyard. landscape the backyard. Yeah, let me see if I can get back here. Okay. Nice. This was on a pretty nice sized lot here. Yeah. This community is pretty popular. Again, there's an interest list. If you want a home here, there is an interest list here. And they are currently bidding for lot premiums. Okay. So lot premiums going from like 150 to 200,000. Hey, look at this beautiful kitchen. I love all this. Look at all this space right here. That's amazing. You got the optional waterfall kitchen island. Okay. Actually, I think this is upgraded as well. It looks a little bit larger compared to the standard kitchen island. So you have the, looks like they upgraded to the signature appliance package. Otherwise, you'd have like the Whirlpool package. Okay, you got the microwave oven. That nice blue. Ooh, beautiful pantry right here. And you would need a ladder for sure to reach those high shelves. We've got the dishwasher right over here. Beautiful cabinets. Cool. But yeah, here if you want to take a photo of this goes over the dimensions and the floor plan. Okay. Now, right over this area, you're gonna have your primary bedroom. You're gonna have your den. So there is a structural upgrade you can do where, if you don't want this den and you want this to be the walk-in closet, you could have that option. If you want your primary bedroom to be larger, then yeah, you could definitely make this part of the primary closet, which would make your primary bedroom more spacious. So you got your door to your 2-car garage right there. Okay, coat closets, very close to the garage door there. Okay, welcome to the laundry room. So it's cool. They put a little refrigerator over here. So you got some Whirlpool appliances. Nice cabinets. This is always helpful right here, having a sink in your laundry room. But yeah, this is a smart panel box. You set up your internet router and your modem. Now this would be a great like study room as well, or a little office space. If you work remote, you can turn this into a nice little office. Nice, look at this. Getting like library vibes in here. All right, so let's check out the primary bedroom. And so much beautiful upgrades. Also, if you want, you can put a door that goes to the backyard in here. Okay, so welcome to the primary bedroom. So you have these nice windows here. Okay, so these window frames are going to be about 8 foot. Yeah, guys, if you are watching this video and you're interested in new construction homes, you're thinking about going for your very first time, do me a huge favor. Give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd be glad to go with you on your very first visit. But if you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure they go with you on your very first visit. Now, if you go by yourself on your very first visit, the builder agent's gonna ask for your some really large closet, by the way. The builder agent's gonna ask for your name, phone number, and email. Once they have that, and you're without an agent, they won't let you have representation down the road. Definitely want representation because the builder agents look after the builder's best interests, okay? And we look after your best interests. So, really important. All right, so as you see, it's a lower threshold here. Beautiful material. Okay, got the shower head. Separate sinks, got your toilet room. Yeah, that's about it, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you so much for watching. Until then, I'll catch you on the next video.